viewers, welcome to another episode of KYT Know Your Town. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, our favorite topic, and that is fitness. We all are missing our gyms. Those fitness freaks used to go regularly to gyms, fitness centers, but then all these fitness centers are currently closed, as we all know, because of lockdown, because of this pandemic. And we are eagerly waiting that when these fitness centers, gyms will reopen and post COVID, how these gyms will be, how these fitness centers will be. So we are all curious to know about this. And for that, we have invited today Mr. Prabodh Dowkhare, who runs a very renowned fitness center in Thane and Mumbai, World Gym. We all know
Right.
about it, and Nitro Fitness. So today he's with us, and we'll be discussing with him about the scenario of gyms. What is the status of the gyms and how are the gyms going to operate after this COVID? Prabodh, first of all, welcome to this KYT
Thank,
show.
thank you, Nikhil, for inviting me on your prestigious channel to
Uh,
express my views of the fitness industry.
yeah. So, Prabodh, first of all, tell us how this pandemic, COVID, has affected the gym industry overall.
Well, definitely, like all the industries, the fitness industry is also affected. And in fact, the state government had shut down the gyms first around in the first week of March itself. The chief minister had ordered all the gyms and swimming pools and malls to be shut in the first week of March, as you know. And I think so. It will be the right now. The government is also not very serious about opening it in the even in the third phase. So I think so. It will be in the last phase to be reopened up. Howsoever, we are trying from every direction so that the government reopens it as soon as possible with the new SOPs, with the new standard operating procedures that we have formulated for the safety and precautions for our members. A lot of trainers are right now jobless and sitting at home, and a lot of gyms are also feeling the pressure from their landlords for paying the rent. Plus, I think so there are a lot of other dues also like electricity and this thing, which is pestering a lot of gym owners. Almost 50% or 40% minimum of gyms in the country will be shut down, and I think so lakhs of trainers are right now jobless sitting at home.
Mhm. Okay, but how important this sector is as far as the economy is concerned, like as far as the employment generation source, how gyms are important?
See, the thing is, the gyms have been a very considerable amount also in employment, in terms of like personal trainers, general trainers. Almost most of the gyms, minimum size of employment is around at least minimum 20, say like anywhere between 70. So I think so if each unit is giving so many people jobs, that is I think so considerable number, like 20 to 70 per each gym. And also like it also like government is also earning a lot of GST into crores from the gym industry, from the fitness industry. So I think it is imperative to the government, and it's not only like the government should look at it from employment and from the what the tax is coming from the fitness industry, but also it is helping in terms of fitness and exercise, because actually there is an old saying, health is wealth. So if the people of a country are not healthy, how can a nation be wealthy?
Correct. And actually, this has been tested right now in this crisis because we all know we are again recalling the Darwin's theory of survival of the fittest, and all our fitness test has been tested right now. So gyms are very important, don't you think?
Absolutely, because right now, since there is an absence of vaccine, so there is the only you have to depend on your immunity. And right now, to boost immunity, I think so. Fitness is but obviously the the number one thing to boost your fitness, your immunity.
Okay. Uh, Once if the government allows us to reopen the gyms, what safety
Yeah.
measures are going to be taken by the gym industry?
Yeah, see that there has been a number of points that has been formulated for for prevention and hygiene and social distancing. There will be like right from the checkpoint, like from the entrance of through an infrared thermometer, whether the person has a fever or not. If the and plus like all the trainers will be wearing masks, and hand gloves. All the equipment will be sanitized. There will be social distancing kept of 6 feet between each member. So there, already this all has been drafted and has already been formulated how we will take care of our members so that there is no spread of COVID in the gym, at least in the gym facility. And also, as an example, if you see that right now, there are a lot of fitness centers abroad which have opened up. It's been almost more than a month, and there is not a single case which has happened inside the gym, be it
Okay.
China or be it in the European countries.
No, but as far as the viability is concerned, after following all these norms, how viable it will be for all the gyms, especially for the smaller gyms?
Yeah, for the first 3 months, it's definitely going to be difficult. But after that, I see a good period coming up for the gyms. First initial 3 periods is going to be difficult, but with the word of mouth and this thing, how when people gain confidence, I'm sure they will turn up on the gym to the gyms.
I've been discussing with few of the people who used to take morning walk when it was relaxed a bit. That time wearing a mask and doing walking was itself very difficult. So wearing a
Yes,
mask and
it is.
doing a workout, how difficult
It
it is
is.
going to be?
See, I would say wearing a mask and doing a morning workout or anything which is taxing on the lungs is definitely should be avoided. And in the gym also, if you're doing any cardiovascular exercises, I will not definitely suggest my members to wear masks, but there is a face shield, like a
Okay.
visor, so that you can use because there is passage of air from other side. So it cannot hit directly, but from the other side. So that is a safer option compared to a mask for sure.
Okay. Uh, Pre-COVID, what was the status of gyms? Like we have been hearing that the gyms were already suffering, and now after this post-COVID, is the situation worsened?
Definitely, like because of the recession in the market from the last 6 months almost, there was a little downfall in the footfall of members and in the income and sales. However, gyms were surviving. If you see that none of the gyms shut down during those times, though they were struggling, but they were managing with their break evens. But because of this COVID situation, it has gone from bad to worse, and this is going to now further going to lead to shutdown of a lot of gyms and unemployment, and all taxation is also going to be affected because of this. However, as I said, this is a temporary phenomena for the next 3 months maximum, and then slowly you will gradually see a rise again. So the
Yeah.
industry is here for good. It's just like right now is going through a bad patch.
To revive this gym industry overall, what are your expectations from the government?
Okay, one was like I'm talking on behalf of all the gym owners. Like
Sure.
one was a favor from the landlord, the first and the foremost. Second was like if they can give some stimulus package, not to the gym owner, but to the trainers of at least a monthly 5,000 rupees minimum. Because also their PF is getting minus and they are also paying tax to the government indirectly. So I think so government can return back something to them, for being, a good taxpayer by at least 5,000 rupees per month for this entire lockdown period only. Third is also regarding electricity bill. Right now, it should be charged as per the meter and not as per the average. That is totally a wrong practice that the MSCB is doing. So we are against it. I think so. They should charge all the gym, or rather everybody, as per the meter reading and not as per an average. And fourth was some relief in the taxation. Like in the first initial stage, if some GST could be compromised, some tax relief can be given to the fitness industry for the first initial 6 months, and thereon it can be as normal as it was before.
Okay. Lastly, Prabodh, you are a fitness promoter in Thane and Mumbai, and we all know you very well. What appeal you will make to all the fitness freaks of Thane, those who are at home right now?
Right now, I'll just tell them ki don't lose hope. And we know, like, because I have a lot of emails and a lot of phone calls and messages coming from a lot of our members also and my friends also when are the gyms reopening. So we are continuously in touch with the government to reopen the gym as soon as possible with the new safety norms, of course. And this very soon will be operating with full hygiene and all the safety measures, and hope to see you all of you soon.
Any confirmation from the government, because they have given permission to the hotels now, even restaurants soon. So gyms, any
Yeah,
confirmation?
yeah. So no, there is no confirmation which has come from the state government as yet. We are still on it, but I hope the Prime Minister and the CM reopen our gym industry at least on 15th of August, which is the National Independence Day, and give independence to and allow the fitness to fight the immunity this time.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prabodh, for talking with us. Thank you, viewers, for watching this show. If you have liked this episode, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Do keep watching KYT. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.